Okay guys, here we are going to be testing a magnetic limit switch sensor. We got our limit switch here. This one is a normally open switch. Sometimes they come normally closed. This was your magnet, which we're going to be using to test the limit switch sensor. I already got it connected here. Black lead goes to your white wire, that's your common. For the exercise here, I connected the red lead together with the red and blue from the limit switch sensor. Got it connected to a voltmeter. You go ahead and put it into continuity. That way, you can go ahead and check the continuity, make sure that limit switch sensor works. Alright, so let's get started. You got a top and bottom of the limit switch sensor. So basically the idea is you're going to pass the magnet in front of the limit switch like so, and then when you're going to test the bottom, you're going to go about there, and that would test the bottom side of the limit switch sensor. Alright, so voltmeter is at 1.5. If I pass the see how close this is, pretty sensitive. Alright, so if I see the if I pass the magnet almost not even getting to the limit switch, it really pretty much picks it up. That tells you that that magnetic limit switch is working. If you pull it away, it goes back to 1.5, and now if you do the other side, 1.5, it goes back to 0. You pull it away, it goes back to the 1.5. So the idea is basically to check continuity. If you see that the voltmeter goes and registers completely 0, that means that limit switch sensor is working. In case of the limit switch sensor not working, you're going to get a fluctuation reading. The sensor is not going to be working correctly, so it's going to be either working off and on, or it's not going to be working at all, and that 1.5 is not going to change. It's going to stay pretty much where it is. Alright, so in this case this one works, so as you can tell, it's registering perfectly. Okay, hope this helps. Troubleshooting that limit switch sensor before you buy a new one if it's bad. That would save you some time and effort and money on the long run. Alright, thank you very much.